Introduction. Do you have big dreams but don't seem to make progress toward them? Do you wonder whether you should even try to chase these dreams? Perhaps you think you are deluding yourself. We live in a world where doing certain things will get you positive results, while doing others will not. This is the law of cause and effect. Therefore, one of the most important skills you can develop is the ability to create an accurate model of reality. In other words, you need to develop the ability to understand how reality works to help you act in a way that is more likely to produce the results you want. Unfortunately, this isn't as simple as it may appear. This is especially true in today's world, where the influx of information we receive can be overwhelming. But developing an accurate model of reality is vital. People who are serious about achieving their goals continuously seek to develop a better model of reality. These individuals are obsessed with finding out what works while at the same time letting go of what doesn't. On the other hand, mediocre or unsuccessful people tend to rely on flawed models of reality. Because they fail to grasp how reality works, they are unable to create an effective blueprint to achieve their goals. This leads them to try all sorts of things, and when none of the gimmicks or tactics they use work, they end up feeling discouraged. Throughout this book, we will discover that the better you understand reality, the better armed you will be to take the actions needed to achieve the results you want. As you learn to build more effective models of reality, you will be able to skyrocket results in all areas of your life. In Part 1, Letting Go of Inaccurate Thinking, you'll discover the common errors in thinking people make and learn how to think more accurately. Furthermore, as you develop more accurate thinking, you'll be able to take effective action, which in turn will help you achieve tangible results. In Part 2, Aligning Yourself with Reality, we'll discuss the importance of being in alignment with reality and see how you can move toward this position. Among other things, you'll learn how to make better assumptions, gather information more effectively, and ask smarter questions. As you further align yourself with reality, you'll be able to create better strategies and implement effective processes that will bring you the results you want. Finally, in Part 3, Empowering Your Model of Reality, we'll see how to make your model of reality work for you. You'll learn how to design an empowering environment, develop rock-solid confidence, and expand your field of possibilities. And by doing this, you will increase your odds of achieving any goal you set your mind to. So, are you ready to align with reality and achieve tangible results in the real world? If so, read on.